Your Synology NAS just died. No lights, no drives, no data access. Before you panic, the fix might be simpler than you think. This is the Synology NAS 400W power supply unit from Vanda Trading, a direct replacement PSU engineered to bring your NAS back to full power. Without the high cost of the original unit, it delivers 400 watts of stable, reliable power and comes ready with a 24-pin main connector, a special 20-pin Synology adapter, 8-pin CPU connector, SATA Molex and PCI Express connectors. The built-in 80mm fan keeps things running quietly, and full-range voltage support means it works worldwide. This PSU is designed to work seamlessly with a wide range of Synology NAS models. Check our full compatibility list to make sure it's the perfect match for your system. Plug-and-play installation means you're back up and running in minutes. No tools, no technical knowledge required. Slightly more compact than the original, this PSU improves airflow and ventilation inside your chassis, and the included metal bracket ensures a perfect, secure fit every time. This PSU comes with a 2-year warranty, free UK delivery, and a 30-day returns policy. Link in the description to order from Vanda Trading or from our eBay store. Don't let a dead PSU take down your data. Grab yours today.